14th generation, i3, i5, i7, i9. Which one I choose? Which one is the best fit for me? You are in the right place. This video for you. Don't skip the video. No need to talk much. Let's move on. Core i3 processor. 4 cores, 8 threads, 4.7 GHz max turbo frequency. 12 MB Intel Smart Cache with 5 MB total L2 cache and 60 to 110 watt base to maximum turbo power. Maximum supported memory capacity is 192 GB. If DDR5 up to 4800 MT per second. If DDR4 up to 3200 MT per second are the supported memory type. Hey, how integrated GPU? It's Intel UHD Graphics 730. You can buy this within $134 to $144 price range. Anyway, what we can do by these processors? Like everyday tasking, browsing, office works, even some light gaming. Intel i5 processor. Total 20 threads, 5.3 GHz max turbo frequency, 24 MB Intel Smart Cache with 20 MB total L2 cache and 125 to 181 watt base to maximum turbo power. Maximum supported memory capacity is 192 GB. If DDR5 up to 5600 MT per second. If DDR4 up to 3200 MT per second are the supported memory types. Integrated GPU, it's Intel UHD Graphics 770. You can buy this within $319 to $329 price range. What we can do by this processor? Like multitasking, demanding productivity tasks, mid-range gaming. Intel i7 processor. Total 20 cores, 28 threads, 5.6 GHz maximum turbo frequency, 33 MB Intel Smart Cache with 28 MB total L2 cache and 125 to 253 watt base to maximum turbo power. Maximum supported memory capacity is 192 GB. If DDR5 up to 5600 MT per second, if DDR4 up to 3200 MT per second are the supported memory types. Integrated GPU, it's Intel UHD Graphics 770. You can buy this within $409 to $419 price range. This is ideal for content creators, professionals and hardcore gamers. Intel Core i9 processor. Total 24 cores, 32 threads, 6 GHz maximum turbo frequency, 36 MB Intel Smart Cache with 32 MB total L2 cache and 125 to 253 watt base to maximum turbo power. Maximum supported memory capacity is 192 GB. If DDR5 up to 5600 MT per second. If DDR4 up to 3200 MT per second are the supported memory types. Integrated GPU, it is Intel UHD Graphics 770. You can buy this within $589 to $599 price range. Nothing to say, this is the most powerful Intel processor. This is for those who demand the absolute best for professional content creation, extreme multitasking and ultra high-end gaming. i3, i5, i7, i9. Now you have enough knowledge to choose best one for you. It depends on your needs and budget. Hey, wait guys, please subscribe, click the bell icon and put the comment below.